Hello everyone, welcome to Don's PC Guide. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use virtual desktops in Windows. So basically what virtual desktops are is, right now if you see at the bottom of my screen, I have a few applications open. What we can do is we can create a new desktop. I won't see any of these applications, so I won't have to flip and select through whatever's there. And I can create another work environment. So this is very useful if you use the same laptop for general browsing and Netflix and such, as well as going to work and using the same laptop. So these virtual desktops, they're really nice for productivity. Let's get started. So the first key press we're going to have to remember is Control, Windows key, and D. That's going to create a new desktop. So as you see right here at the bottom of the screen, I have no applications open. I can open whatever I want here, so just for reference, we'll open Google Chrome. There we go. And now to select between desktops, all you have to do is click Control, Windows key, and the right or left button. We can have quite a few of these desktops open. So there's the starting desktop, there's another new one, and then there's the one that we just made. So we'll go to the starting desktop here. Now, I know what you're wondering right now, how do we delete it? Because you don't want to have too many of these virtual desktops open. It'll slow down your computer. You want to make sure you click the Windows key and Tab, and every once in a while you check on how many things that you have open. So there's my Google Chrome there, there's my recording software, and there's all my desktops. So I have 3 open. We're going to delete them. So again, that's the Windows key and Tab to open up this manager here. If that's the only key you remember, it's perfectly fine because you can create new desktops from here and you can switch in between them from there. To delete them, you just go to this little X right here. So we'll take off 2 of them. Now the thing to remember is once you take off the virtual desktop, it will merge all of the applications to one desktop. So now you'll see I've got the starting desktop icon, I've got the Google Chrome, and I've got all the applications I had open before. That's a basic quick tutorial on how to use virtual desktops. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Have a great day.